fabulous week so far. We've hit the midpoint of your week and actually the midpoint of our wet string of days. And actually we'll see today that a decently heavy rain event is possible through central Montana, mainly from Helena to Lewistown. We'll get to that in a moment. But as of now, seeing decently strong showers moving across central Montana, a little up longer, closer to the high line, but Great Falls to Havre, other areas along the high line, seeing some decent lightning and convective activity. In fact, looked at the radar moments ago, a little bit closer and saw some hail popping up, a little bit of a hail signature over towards Great Falls, but begs to differ the question, how does hail differ from other radar products when you're looking at a radar? Well, actually, you see in this case here, it was so close to the radar site when it passed by Great Falls. The way the radar works, shoots the beam out into the atmosphere, and when it encounters storms or other things in the atmosphere, it bounces that beam, reflects it right back to the radar site, and it's able to decipher what it is it's reading. But being so close to the radar site, the radar beam actually comes out, and since the Earth's curved, it doesn't actually come out and just go straight ahead. It actually gets higher as it gets farther out, so that's why it's important to change radar sites and why we can't use particular radar sites across the country for storms that are across the country. You have to use a radar site with a beam that's closer to the storm and can get a more accurate reading into that particular event. But here's just a little bit of drawing there. Of course, it shoots that beam out, reflects right back to the radar site, and it's able to decipher that there. That's how some of that is uncovered and deciphered by the radar site. And it also takes some radar interpretation to figure out sometimes what's going on. But as for radar interpretation today, it should be pretty easy for meteorologists and non-meteorologists alike to pick up on the rain that's going to fall in central Montana. Actually going to see a chance for excessive rainfall across parts of central Montana, and then most of the state going to be a little bit at a risk for some excess rainfall, give or take a few areas, but most of the state going to see rainfall across the bigger portion of the day. And then if you're going out this afternoon, remember flooding, rock slides, and hydroplaning, decently strong possibility during the afternoon hours, especially from Helena to Lewistown and other areas closer to that. But north central Montana going to see a rain event over the next few days, as is southwest Montana. And this is just a little bit of a bar graph here, just a different graphic showing you primary concerns, of course, lightning and rainfall, decently strong storms moving forward. But moving forward into your rain across the country, seeing a little bit of rain in the southeast. Convective activity continues up around Montana, and then some rain into the desert southwest down to the south, but really starting to dissipate this morning. As for us here in Montana, low pressure system moves across the state. That upper level low that's going to move right over Helena to Lewistown, going to provide the most chance for those heaviest showers here between Helena and Lewistown. But moving into your Thursday, another low pressure system begins to move through the state, following pretty much a similar area, actually going to move off to the east, and as it does so, going to give a bit of a break to central Montana and areas to the west Friday afternoon. But don't hold your breath, because into Saturday, here comes a cold front actually going to provoke some showers and some instability. But ahead of that front, pressure gradient winds going to increase as well. So that means a breezy day for most of Montana. But as we move forward into your Saturday, here's that front actually going to provide some instability for some more showers and thunderstorms. But moving forward, get a bit of a break temperature-wise into the 70s for today and tomorrow, but then we start warming back up Friday into Saturday. You'll notice temperature change, not much. That front passes Saturday into Sunday. We move back into the 90s next week as we dry right back out.